हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल द ट्विन ब्रोस। माय नेम इज अदिति चंदेल और आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग कवर करने वाले हैं रीजनल एस्पिरेशंस के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज फ्रॉम योर सीयूईटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। तो इस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो में इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं, इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं, मैंने अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश की है कि मैं उनके एमसीक्यूज आपको प्रेजेंट करके दूं। आपको अपने एंड से क्या करना है, आपको इन एमसीक्यूज को सॉल्व करना है, साइड बाय साइड नोट करते जाना है एंड देन एंड में बताना है कि आपके कितने सही हुए कितने गलत हुए, जस्ट टू कीप एंड चेक प्रोग्रेस और देखने के लिए कि कितना एवरेज स्कोर जा रहा है लोगों का। इसके अलावा आपके जो भी गलत हो रहे हैं क्वेश्चंस, उनका स्पेशल नोट बना के रखिएगा। एंड में जब आप फाइनल रिवीजन कर रहे होंगे एग्जाम से पहले, तो इन पर्टिकुलर वीक पॉइंट्स पे ज्यादा ध्यान दीजिएगा, बिकॉज दीज आर थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू रिवाइज एक बार अगेन इन केस अगर एग्जाम में आ जाते हैं, सो वी वुडंट वांट टू गेट देम रॉन्ग। ठीक है, नाउ विदाउट एनी वेट लेट अस बिगिन विद दिस चैप्टर. So regional aspiration, most important MCQs, the very first MCQ is the dash may be seen as a period of rising regional aspiration for autonomy, often outside the framework of the Indian Union. 1950s, 60s, 70s या 80s, and your correct answer is 1980s. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 1980s आना चाहिए। आपका चैप्टर ही इसी सेंटेंसेस से शुरू होता है। In contrast to many European countries, how did India view cultural diversity? As a threat to national unity, as a source of strength, as a barrier to progress, as a hindrance to development? And the correct answer is that India viewed it as a source of strength. ठीक है, तो हमारी डाइवर्सिटी में ही हमारी यूनिटी लाई करती है, हमारा स्ट्रेंथ लाई करता है। Which two states from the northeast of India witnessed strong movement demanding separation from India at the time of the independence? ठीक है, मणिपुर, मेघालय, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, त्रिपुरा, सिक्किम, नागालैंड, मिजोरम। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज नागालैंड एंड मिजोरम, जिसके बारे में हम लोग आगे डिस्कस करेंगे। विच मूवमेंट इन द साउथ ऑफ इंडिया ब्रीफली टॉयड विद द आइडिया ऑफ अ सेपरेट कंट्री? Dalit movement, Telangana movement, Dravidian movement, Naxalite. And the correct answer is again the Dravidian movement, जिसके बारे में again we will be discussing in the upcoming questions. Which regions were affected by mass agitations for the formation of linguistic states following the events? पंजाब, हरियाणा, राजस्थान, बिहार, वेस्ट बंगाल, उड़ीसा, झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, उत्तर प्रदेश, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, हिमाचल प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र एंड गुजरात। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज आंध्र प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका, गुजरात में काफी सारे लिंग्विस्टिक बेसिस पे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेट्स की बात हो रही थी। विच पार्ट ऑफ साउथ इंडिया वाज पर्टिकुलरली नोन फॉर इट्स प्रोटेस्ट अगेंस्ट मेकिंग हिंदी द ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज ऑफ द कंट्री? केरला, आंध्र प्रदेश, कर्नाटका या तमिलनाडु? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस इज Tamil Nadu. In which region of India were there strong pro-Hindi agitations demanding that Hindi should be made the official language immediately? Western India, Eastern India, Southern India, Northern India? Quite easy answer. The correct answer is Northern India, because obviously यहाँ पे majority population speaks in Hindi. Which language speaking group started the agitation for a separate state in the 1950s, leading to its creation in 1966? ठीक है, तमिल, पंजाबी, कन्नड़ा या तेलुगु, तो इन पर्टिकुलर जो लैंग्वेज स्पीकिंग ग्रुप्स हैं, उन्होंने अपना एजिटेशन कब शुरू किया एंड देन फाइनली उस लैंग्वेज स्पीकिंग ग्रुप को अपना स्टेट मिला 1966 में? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज पंजाबी। ठीक है, हरियाणा एंड पंजाब का जब डिवीजन हुआ था 1966। Now Jammu and Kashmir is composed of 3 distinct social and political regions. What combination accurately identifies them? जम्मू, श्रीनगर, लद्दाख, पंजाब, कश्मीर, लद्दाख, जम्मू, कश्मीर, लद्दाख, हिमाचल, कश्मीर, लद्दाख। एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज जम्मू, कश्मीर एंड लद्दाख। ठीक है, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू शुड नो दिस। दिस इज अ वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन। नाउ व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट एक्यूरेटली डिस्क्राइब्स द डेमोग्राफिक एंड लिंग्विस्टिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द कश्मीरी टीचर? यहाँ पे मेजोरिटी पंजाबी स्पीकिंग है, सिग्निफिकेंट हिंदू माइनॉरिटी है, majority Urdu speaking Muslims hai with a small Urdu speaking Hindu minority. Majority are Kashmiri speaking Muslims with a small Kashmiri speaking Hindu minority. The majority are Pashto speaking Muslims with a small Pashto speaking Hindu minority. And the correct answer is that the majority are Kashmiri speaking Muslims with a small Kashmiri speaking Hindu minority. Now, which of the following best characterizes the demographic and geographical features of the Jammu region? It consists primarily of mountainous terrain and is inhabited by predominantly Hindu and Sikh population. It is a blend of foothills and plains home to Hindu, Muslims and Sikh. It is primarily a plain area with a majority Muslim population and small minority of Hindu and Sikh. It is a desert region with the population mainly composed of Muslims and speakers of Sindhi language. अब ये थोड़ा सा tricky question हो सकता है, although you should be able to answer this at this point. And the correct answer is that it is a blend of foothills and plains. ठीक है, जम्मू की जब हम बात करते हैं, यहाँ पे हिंदू, मुस्लिम एंड सिख्स जो हैं सब पाए जाते हैं। डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ आपके यहाँ पे लैंग्वेज स्पीकर्स मिल जाते हैं। Now, which of the following description accurately represents Ladakh? It is primarily densely located, populated plain region with a majority Hindu population. It is a mountainous region with a sparse population, evenly split between Buddhists and the Muslims. It is a plain area with a majority Muslim population and a small minority of Buddhists. It is a desert region with a majority Sikh population and a small minority of Muslim. And the correct answer is that it is a mountainous region जहाँ पे बहुत कम population है, and that is also evenly split between the Buddhists and the Muslims. Now, the issue of Jammu and Kashmir has both external and internal dimensions, revolving around which of the following factors: economic development, resource allocation, cultural preservation, linguistic diversity, Kashmiri identity and political aspirations for autonomy, religious harmony and interfaith dialogue. And the correct answer is Kashmiri identity, जिसको वो कश्मीरियत कहते हैं, and जो political aspirations है autonomy के in that state. Now, what was the stance of Jammu and Kashmir's Hindu ruler Hari Singh regarding the state's merger with India? He immediately agreed to merge with India. He sought independence for his state and negotiated with both India and Pakistan. He favored merging with Pakistan and refused negotiations with India. He declared the intention to remain neutral and not merge with either India or Pakistan. And the correct answer is that he sought independence for his state. उन्होंने कहा कि हमें इंडिपेंडेंस चाहिए and ना ही हमको पाकिस्तान से मतलब वो करना है, ना ही हमें इंडिया के साथ रहना है, and उन्होंने negotiate किया था, ठीक है। He did not remain neutral in the sense कि उन्होंने negotiate करके इंडिया और पाकिस्तान को बोला कि we want to remain neutral, sorry, we want to remain independent. Now, during the popular movement in the state of Jammu and Kashmir led by Sheikh Abdullah of the National Conference, what was their stance regarding the Maharaja and Pakistan? They wanted the Maharaja and advocated for joining Pakistan. They wanted to remain the status quo with the Maharaja and remain independent. They aimed to remove the Maharaja from power, but they were still opposed to joining Pakistan. They sought to overthrow the Maharaja and align with India. And the correct answer is that they aimed to remove the Maharaja, but at the same time they were opposed to joining Pakistan. Now, what was the nature of the National Conference and what was Sheikh Abdullah's relationship with the Congress and its leaders? It was a religious organization with close ties to Congress, and he was friend of Mahatma Gandhi. It was a nationalist organization with close ties to Communist Party of India, and he was a friend of Bhagat Singh. There was a secular organization with long associations with Congress, and he was friends with Nehru ji. या फिर National Conference was a conservative organization with links to Muslim League, and he was friends with Jinnah. And the correct answer is that the National Conference was a secular organization which had a lot of long-standing association with Congress, and he was friends with Nehru. ठीक है? Now, in which month of 1947 did Pakistan send tribal infiltrators to capture Kashmir? August, September, October, November, and the correct answer is this happened in the month of October. Now, what document was the Maharaja of Kashmir supposed to sign before India agreed to fight against the infiltrators from the Kashmir Valley? Treaty of Surrender, Instrument of Surrender, Instrument of Accession, Declaration of Neutrality. And it's a very easy question. The correct answer is Instrument of Accession, about which we've been talking since the very first chapter. Now, who assumed the role of Prime Minister of the state of Jammu and Kashmir in March of 1948? यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिएगा, उस टाइम पे Chief Minister of the state नहीं कह रहे थे, हम जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए Prime Minister ही यूज करते थे. So आपके ऑप्शन है नेहरू जी, पटेल जी, शेख अब्दुल्ला, मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना, and the correct answer is Sheikh Abdullah. He assumed the role of the Prime Minister of the state. Now, which country sponsored a tribal invasion to the state of Jammu Kashmir in 1947, resulting in one part of the state coming under Pakistani control? India, China, Pakistan, Afghanistan. Easy question. The correct answer is Pakistan ने भेजा था, and एक part हमारा पाकिस्तान में उनके control में आ गया था. Now, what name has Pakistan given to the area of Jammu and Kashmir that it controls? तो आपके ये चार ऑप्शन है: गिलगित बाल्टिस्तान, खैबर, आजाद कश्मीर या फिर FATA. एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज आजाद कश्मीर. ठीक है, वो उसको आजाद कश्मीर बुलाते हैं, जिसको हम पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर बुलाते हैं. नाउ व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिफॉर्म्स डिड शेख अब्दुल्ला इनिशिएट आफ्टर बिकमिंग द प्राइम मिनिस्टर व्हिच बेनिफिटेड द ऑर्डिनरी पीपल? इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स लाए वो, एजुकेशनल रिफॉर्म्स लाए, लैंड रिफॉर्म्स लाए या फिर हेल्थ केयर रिफॉर्म्स लाए? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर is he started off with land reform. What happened to Sheikh Abdullah in 1953? He lost elections, he retired from politics, he was dismissed from the position and he was kept in detention for a number of years, या फिर he resigned as the head of the state. And the correct answer is that he was dismissed from his position and उनको detention में रखा काफी सालों के लिए. Now, during which time period did the Congress party, in which year did Indira Gandhi reach an agreement with Sheikh Abdullah, leading to him becoming the chief minister of the state of Jammu and Kashmir? ठीक है, so this is after his detention. 1964, 68, 72 या 74 and the correct answer is 1974 की ये बात है. Now following the demise of Sheikh Abdullah in 1982, who succeeded him as the Chief Minister of the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Mehbooba Mufti, Ghulam Nabi Azad, Farooq Abdullah, Mufti Muhammad Saeed. And the correct answer is Farooq Abdullah. ठीक है. Now during which election did Farooq Abdullah return as the chief minister after an alliance between the National Conference and Congress amid widespread allegations of rigging? 1982 assembly election में वो बने यहाँ पे, 1984 लोकसभा इलेक्शन में बने, 1987 assembly election में बने या फिर 1991 लोकसभा elections में बने. And the correct answer for this is the 1987 assembly elections. Now, by which year did the state of Jammu and Kashmir come under the grip of a militant movement advocating for a separate Kashmiri nation? 1984, 87, 89 या 92 and the correct answer is 1989. ठीक है, बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम बाय विच ईयर लिख रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज नॉट कि किस ईयर में शुरू हुआ था. नो वन पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट स्टार्टेड इट, बट बाय द ईयर 1989 अ लॉट ऑफ इंसिडेंट्स हैड कल्मिनेटेड एंड यहाँ से आपका मिलिटेंट मूवमेंट जो है वो शुरू होता है. Now, which political coalition replaced the National Conference government in Jammu and Kashmir after the fair election of 2002? National Conference and BJP, People's Democratic Party and Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party and Congress, People's Democratic Party and National Conference. And the correct answer is People's Democratic Party and Congress. The slogan "The North thrives even as the South decays" encapsulates the sentiment of which regional movement? Maratha movement, Telangana movement, Dravidian movement या फिर Golkaland movement? And the correct answer is it captures the Dravidian movement. Now, under the leadership of Tamil social reformer E.V. Ramaswamy Periyar, which organization was formed as a result of the Dravidian movement? Tamil Nadu Liberation Front, Tamil Liberation Organization, Dravidar Kazhagam या फिर Tamil Nadu Dravidian Association? And the correct answer is Dravidar Kazhagam. ठीक है, DK. Now, what was the primary aim of Dravidar Kazhagam under the leadership of Periyar? Promote the Brahmin dominance, advocate for North Indian cultural hegemony, oppose the caste-based discrimination and the Brahmin dominance, advocate for South Indian cultural hegemony. And the correct answer is that he was opposed to, DK as an organization was opposed to caste-based discrimination and Brahmin dominance. And यहाँ पे advocacy तो कुछ नहीं थी, ना चाहे नॉर्थ की या फिर साउथ की, किसी की भी कल्चरल हेजेमनी की एडवोकेसी यहाँ पे नहीं कर रहे थे. Now, following the split of DK, which political party inherited the political legacy? आपका All India Anna Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam, Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam, Tamil Nadu Dravidian Congress या फिर Tamil Nadu Liberation Front? And the correct answer is Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam. ठीक है. Now, what was the original name of the railway station that the DMK demanded to be restored after it was renamed Dalmiapuram? Kaveri Junction, Kalakudi, Periyar Nagar, Tamil Nadu Central. And the correct answer is Kalakudi railway station. What was the target of the third agitation led by the DMK, which it alleged was linked to Brahminical social outlook? Agricultural policies of the state, healthcare reforms, craft education scheme या फिर infrastructural development? And the correct answer is जो craft educational scheme था, दो DMK के members को लगता था कि this was replicative of a Brahminical social outlook to jobs and life. Now, following the split of DMK after its leader C. Annadurai, which two political parties emerged? DMK and Dravid Nada Kazhagam, DMK and All India Anna Dravid Munnetra Kazhagam, DMK and Tamil Nadu Dravidar Kazhagam, DMK and Tamil Dravidian Party. And the correct answer is option number B, DMK and AIADMK. ठीक है. Now, who initiated the self-respect movement in 1925? C. N. Annadurai, E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar, K. Kamaraj, M. Karunanidhi. And the correct answer is E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar, जिनको पेरियार भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. अब ये जो term है पेरियार, what does it mean in this context? The great, the honest, the respected या the honorable. And the correct answer is it translates to the respected. ठीक है, जिनकी respect करते हैं. Now, when was the Akali Dal formed? 1919, 1920, 1921 and 1922, and the correct answer is that it was formed in 1920. Now, when did the Akalis come to power after the reorganization? 65, 72, 67, 77, 71, 80, 63 या 75? And the correct answer, reorganization, यहाँ पे हम बात करें reorganization of the state which happened in 66. And the correct answer is 1967 and 1977. ठीक है, तो मैंने आपको हिंट दे दिया था कि reorganization 66 में हुआ था, तो आप उसी से बता सकते हो कि देखो ये दोनों तो नहीं होंगे, इन्हीं दोनों में से आपके आंसर्स होंगे. Now, which political party garnered more support among Dalits, whether Hindu or Sikh, compared to the Akalis? अकाली दल, बीजेपी, सीपीआईएम या फिर कांग्रेस? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज कांग्रेस. ठीक है, सो इवन दो अकाली दल इट हैड मतलब इट वाज प्लेइंग सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रोल व्हेन इट कम्स टू द दलित सपोर्ट. The Dalits, whether belonging to the Hindus or the Sikhs, they were predominantly more supportive of the Congress party. Now, who was one of the early leaders of the Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhak Committee? Bhagat Singh, Lajpat Rai, Master Tara Singh, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan? And the correct answer is Master Tara Singh. ठीक है, तो SGPC a little difficult question, but options आप समझ ही जाओगे. ये आप टर्म याद कर सके तो it would be great. ठीक है, this is from the box, very detail oriented question. Now, in which year was the Anandpur Sahib resolution passed, which advocated for regional autonomy and aimed to redefine the center-state relationship in India? 65, 73, 71 या 80? And the correct answer is that it was passed in the year 1973. Now, who became the president of the Akali Dal in the 1980? Master Tara Singh, Prakash Singh Badal, Sant Harchand Singh Longowal, Simranjeet Singh Mann. And the correct answer is Sant Harchand Singh Longowal. Now, what was the code name for the army action carried out by the government of India in the Golden Temple in June of 1984? Year पे ध्यान देंगे. Operation Green Revolution, Red Star, Operation Golden Temple, Operation Blue Star. And the correct answer is it was called the Operation Blue Star. Now, when was Prime Minister Indira Gandhi assassinated? 80, 82, 84 या 86? And the correct answer is 1984. आप लोग कमेंट सेक्शन में एग्जैक्ट डेट बताएंगे, एग्जैक्ट डेट जब उनका assassination हुआ था, that is mentioned in your book. Now, in which year did Prime Minister Manmohan Singh express his regrets and apologize to the nation for the anti-Sikh violence which had occurred almost 20 years ago back in 1984? 1995, 2000, 2005 or 2010? And the correct answer is that he apologized in 2005. So utne time tak there was no official apologies by the government, especially the Congress government, but in 2005 there was वहां से एक proper apology आती है. In July 1985, who reached an agreement with the Harchand Singh Longowal, then the president of Akali Dal, known as the Rajiv Gandhi Longowal Accord or Punjab Accord? Indira Gandhi, Manmohan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Prakash Singh Badal? This is a very obvious question. Rajiv Gandhi was the one जिन्होंने यहाँ पे साइन किया था. What is important to know is यहाँ पे डेट क्या है. ठीक है, जुलाई 1985, राजीव गांधी लोंगोवाल अकॉर्ड या फिर जिसको हम पंजाब अकॉर्ड भी कहते हैं. Now, what was the voter turnout of the Punjab elections held in 1992? 24% लोग ने वोट किया, 25%, 22% या 27%? And the correct answer for this is that only about 24% of people actually showed up for the elections to hold हुए थे आपके 1992. Now, which political alliance scored a major victory in the first normal elections held in Punjab in the post-militancy era in 1997? तो आपका कांग्रेस एंड शिरोमणि अकाली दल, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी ऑफ इंडिया, शिरोमणि अकाली दल, बीजेपी, अकाली दल, INC. And the correct answer is Akali Dal and BJP. Now, what percentage of the country's population does the Northeast region have? 2%, 4%, 6% या 8%? And the correct answer is 4% of the Northeast, 4% of the country's population is existing in the Northeast region, and they have double the amount of land. Now, what major changes did most states in the Northeast region undergo due to the influx of migrants from the neighboring states and countries? Economic restructuring हुई यहाँ पे, cultural revival हुआ, demographic changes हुए या फिर political reformation हुआ? And the correct answer is that there were demographic changes यहाँ पे काफी सारे. So the next question that we have over here is that what factors have contributed to the delicate nature of the politics in the Northeast region? Strong international borders, robust communication channels, vast international border and weak communication channel between Northeast and the rest of India, limited international border and strong communications between Northeast India and the rest of India. And the correct answer is कि बहुत ही ज्यादा international border है. ठीक है, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज आप देखोगे नॉर्थ ईस्ट जो है, अगर आप उसका स्ट्रक्चर देखोगे देन वो बहुत ही ज्यादा उसका बॉर्डर एज इन बहुत ज्यादा आपका रीजन जो है वो डायरेक्टली किसी और कंट्री के साथ में आ रहा है, दैट इज ऑलवेज अ थ्रेट टू एनी कंट्री। एंड देन उसके बाद यहाँ पे ऑब्वियसली वीक कम्युनिकेशन लिंक भी है ड्यू टू द लैक ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डेवलपमेंट इन द रीजन। तो वो थोड़ा सा पहले पहले काफी कट ऑफ रहता था इंडिया से। नाउ व्हिच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर्म्ड इनिशियली एज द ईस्टर्न इंडियन ट्राइबल यूनियन later transformed into the more comprehensive all-party Hills Leader Conference in 1960. Eastern Indian Tribal Council, All-Party Hill Leaders Conference, All-Party Tribal Union, Eastern Indian Hill Leaders Forum. And the correct answer is All-Party Hill Leaders Conference. Now, when was the reorganization of the Northeast region completed? 60, 72, 80, या फिर 90? And the correct answer is that it was completed in 1972. They had to, that as we read in the first chapter, तो मैं यहाँ पे MCQ नहीं डाले हैं उन years के बारे में, but you must be very much aware कि कौन सी year में कौन सा state आया था, and then 72 तक जाते जाते आपका reorganization complete हो गया था इस region का. Now, which communities in Assam expressed a desire for a separate state? Assamese, Bengalis, Bodos, Karbis, Dimasas, Manipuris, Nagas, या फिर Tripuris and Mizos. And the correct answer is Bodos, Karbis and Dimasas. Now, which communities have been granted autonomy under district council? Bodos and Nagas, Karbis and Dimasas, Assamese and Bengalis, Manipuris and Mizos. And the correct answer is Karbis and Dimasas. Now, which community was recently granted an autonomous council? Dimasas, Karbis, Assamese या फिर Bodos? And the correct answer is the Bodos were granted autonomy through the autonomous council. So this is very important. Dimasas and Karbis were granted that through district council, while the Bodos have been recently granted it through the autonomous council. Also, apologies if I am mispronouncing the names. After independence, which area was made autonomous district within the Assam? Karbi Anglong, Naga Hills, the Mizo Hills या फिर Barak Valley? And the correct answer is the Mizo Hills. ठीक है, इसको एक autonomous district बना दिया गया था असम के within. Now, what event led to the movement for the succession gaining popular support in the Mizo Hills? इकोनॉमिक रिसेशन देखने को मिला, उसके वजह से काफी ज्यादा सेक्सेशनिस्ट मूवमेंट यहाँ पे आपका बढ़ना शुरू हो गया. ड्राउट देखने को मिला, अर्थक्वेक देखने को मिला, या ग्रेट फेमाइन? And the correct answer is the Great Famine of 1959, which actually caused a lot of trouble in region में. Now, what was the result of Mizo's anger following the Great Famine of 1959? Formation of Mizo National Front, formation of Mizo Hill Autonomous District Council, formation of Mizo Statehood Movement, formation of Mizo Cultural Revival Committee. And the correct answer is the formation of Mizo National Front. Now, under whose leadership was the MNF formed? Lal Denga, Zoramthanga, Pu Lanthalwal, या फिर आपका पू लाल डेंगा? And the correct answer is Lal Denga. Now, from which year did the MNF start an armed campaign for independence, leading to almost a 2-decade-long battle with the Indian Army? 1956, 66, 76 या 86? And the correct answer is 1966. क्योंकि obviously 59 के बाद बना था, तो this cannot be the correct answer. And then it took a little time for them to actually start a proper armed campaign for independence. In which year was a peace agreement signed between Rajiv Gandhi and Lal Denga? 1976, 80, 86 and 1990? And the correct answer for this is it was signed in 1986. Which two significant strides has Mizoram taken at the current moment? Economic growth and political stability बढ़ गया है, literacy improve हुआ, infrastructure development हुआ है, industrialization, healthcare reform, environment conservation and cultural preservation. Particularly as mentioned in the NCERT, the two correct strides जो मतलब यहाँ पे लिए गए हैं are in the sectors of literacy improvement and infrastructure development. In which year did a section of Nagas led by the Angami Zafu Faizo declare independence from India? 1947, 51, 62 या 1975? And the correct answer for the same is 1951 में they declared independence from India. ठीक है, सो नागालैंड का ये जो प्रॉपर मूवमेंट है आपका यहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है. व्हाट स्पेशल प्रॉब्लम अरोज ड्यू टू लार्ज स्केल माइग्रेशन इनटू द नॉर्थ ईस्ट? एनवायरमेंटल डिग्रेडेशन हो रहा था, इकोनॉमिक इनइक्वालिटी हो रही थी, कल्चरल एसिमिलेशन देखने को मिल रहा था, या फिर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो रहा था बिटवीन द लोकल कम्युनिटीज एंड द आउटसाइडर्स? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर is that there were conflict between the local communities and the outsiders. Now, which movement spanning from 1979 to 1985 is the best example for the movements against the outsiders in the Northeast? Nagaland movement, Mizoram movement, Tripura movement या फिर Assam movement? And the correct answer for this is the Assam movement. Which factor contributed to the widespread poverty and unemployment in Assam despite the existence of natural resources? Lack of agricultural land यहाँ पे, high population density, exploitation of natural resources without commensurating the benefit to the people, या फिर inadequate infrastructural development. And the correct answer is कि exploitation हो रहा था यहाँ पे natural resources का and लोगों पे benefit कहीं पे भी नहीं आ रहा था. Which organization led an anti-foreigner movement in Assam in 1979? All India Students Association, AASU, NSUI, या फिर AISF. And the correct answer is AASU or All Assam Students Union. After 6 years of turmoil, which government entered into negotiations with the AASU leaders, leading to the signing of an accord in 1985? Indira Gandhi-led government, Atal Bihari Vajpayee-led government, Rajiv Gandhi-led government, Morarji Desai-led government. Again, an easy answer. The correct answer is Rajiv Gandhi-led government. Just remember that all of the conflicts that we're talking about, उनके बारे में directly जिन्होंने सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे peace building में मदद करी है, that is Rajiv Gandhi. Now, after the successful completion of the movement, what did the AASU and the AGSP organize themselves into? NSUI, INC, BJP, AGP. And the correct answer is they organized themselves into AGP or the Assam Gan Parishad. Which political party came into power in Assam in 1985 with the promise of resolving the foreign national problem and building a golden Assam? INC, BJP, AGP या फिर AIUDF. And the correct answer is the Assam Gan Parishad came into power and उन्होंने golden Assam के बारे में promise बनाया था. At the time of the independence, what was the status of Sikkim? Was it a fully sovereign country? It was a part of India. It was a protectorate of India, or was it an independent monarchy? And the correct answer is that it was a protectorate of India. Now, under the arrangement of the time of the independence, which responsibilities were handled by India and what were the responsibilities which was handled by Sikkim's monarch, the Chogyal? ठीक है, तो इंडिया उनका इंटरनल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देखता था, while the monarchy used to look after defense and foreign relations. India used to look after defense and foreign relationship. They used to look after internal administration. We used to look after defense and internal administration. They used to look after foreign relation. या फिर the Chogyal managed both defense and foreign relation, and India was managing their internal administration. And the correct answer is that India was managing their, defense and foreign relations. That is why it is a protectorate of India, because हम उनको protect कर रहे हैं, right? And जो Chogyal जो उनके monarchy थी, they were basically, they had the authority over उनका internal administration. From which community did the Chogyal, Sikkim's monarch, originate, which was perceived as, a small elite community? Nepali community, Lepcha Bhutia community, Gorkha community, Tibetan community. And the correct answer is the Lepcha Bhutia community. Now, which political party swept the first democratic elections to the Sikkim Assembly in 1974, advocating greater integration with India? Was it the Sikkim Democratic Party? Was it Sikkim Janata Party? Was it Sikkim National Party? Or was it Sikkim's Congress? And the correct answer is Sikkim Congress. Now, what resolution did the Sikkim Assembly pass in April of 1975 regarding its status with India? It requested autonomy, it requested associate state status, it demanded independence, or it requested full integration with India. And the correct answer is that in April 1975, the resolution requested full integration with India. Now, what number of states did Sikkim become after the integration? Basically, कौन से number of state of part of India? Was it 28th, 22nd, 24th, 26th? And the correct answer is that became the 22nd state of India. Now, who was Kazi Dorji Khangas Sarpat known for? He was the leader of the independence movement in Sikkim. He was leader of the monarchy in Sikkim. He was leader of the communist movement in Sikkim. He was leader of the democratic movement in Sikkim. And the correct answer is he was the leader of the democratic movement of Sikkim. Again, apologies for the mispronunciation. Now, what is the preferred approach to respond to regional aspirations? Democratic negotiations करने चाहिए, suppressions करने चाहिए, military interventions होने चाहिए, economic sanctions होने चाहिए. And the correct answer is that democratic negotiations होना चाहिए, suppression तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए. इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं होना चाहिए. आप democratically समझिए कि actually में issue क्या है, and then try to build resolutions for it. In which month and year did the government of India send the army टू लिबरेट द टेरिटरीज ऑक्यूपाइड बाय पोर्चुगल। तो आपकी कौन कौन सी टेरिटरीज थी यहाँ पे? गोवा, दमन एंड दीव। दिसंबर 1956, जून 1960, दिसंबर 1961, August 1963, and the correct answer is they sent the army to liberate वहाँ पे in December 1961. Now, in which month and year did the central government hold a special opinion poll in Goa to decide its affiliation? January 1957, June of 1963, January 1967, August 1971. Affiliation with regards to Maharashtra region, and the correct answer is January 1961, जहाँ पे उन्होंने decide किया उनको एक autonomous state बनता है. Now, in which year did it become a state of the Indian Union? 65, 71, 87 या 1992? And the correct answer is it became a state in the year 1987. Now, Indian nationalism sought to balance the principles of unity and secularism, social justice, diversity, cultural differences. The correct answer is balance the principles of unity and diversity. अब हम लोग एक रीजनल आपका यहाँ पे असर्शन रीजन क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. असर्शन आपका कह रहा है कि रीजनल इम्बैलेंस इज अ फैक्ट ऑफ इंडियाज डेवलपमेंट एक्सपीरियंसेस. इफ सम स्टेट्स रिमेन पुअर एंड अदर्स डेवलप रैपिडली, इट लीड्स टू रीजनल इम्बैलेंसेस and inter-regional migration. The correct answer, आपके चारों ऑप्शंस जो हमेशा सेम रहते हैं. The correct answer is option number B. The reason I think this is option number B is because even though both of these are correct, ठीक है कि हाँ रीजनल इम्बैलेंसेस से इंटर रीजनल माइग्रेशन भी लीड होता है, एंड देन यू नो रीजनल इम्बैलेंस का मतलब है कि थोड़े पुअर है, थोड़े ज्यादा आपके डेवलप हैं. दीज आर नॉट रिलेटेड टू वन अनदर, एंड हेंस हम ऑप्शन नंबर बी करेंगे. यस, बोथ आर करेक्ट, बट दे आर नॉट related to one another, hence this not the explanation of your assertion. ठीक है, so with that इस particular chapter के MCQs खत्म होते हैं. Thank you so much for watching. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो, कोई भी सजेशन हो, कोई फीडबैक हो, कोई ओपिनियन हो, प्लीज डू कमेंट नीचे. I will make sure that I am replying to those. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, share it with your friends, and all the best for your examination.